The first thing that a lot of developers do when working on a new feature is ask their favorite AI. Say I'm building a portal for people to access government forms. Right now, it's just a basic list of forms that you can download. Once this MVP is done, the obvious next ticket is going to come in. Add the ability to preview documents. So, I do what many of us do in 2026. I go to my AI and I say, hey, I want to view PDF documents in my React app. Most of the time, it'll recommend an iframe or React PDF. Now, an iframe, it's quick, 0 packages, uses your browser's built-in viewer. And then React PDF, well, that's a solid option for more developer control for document viewing. But even to get a basic viewer running, you're configuring PDF.js workers, managing static assets, and building out your own pagination, zoom controls, and page count UI, all from scratch. But honestly, if viewing documents is genuinely your only requirement, you could probably stop watching right now. Seriously, you're done. But the thing is, document projects almost never stop at viewing. Here's how they usually go. Week 1, just show the PDF. Next sprint, can users fill out the form in the browser? Sprint after that, can they sign it too? And then, hey, can we match our branding, support Office files, redact PII, and so on. Before long, your package.json file looks a lot like a CVS receipt. Your 5 npm installs deep, stitching together a Frankenstein document stack that you never intended to maintain. The problem is that more requirements shouldn't automatically mean more maintenance. You don't want to spend your time building a document engine where you're supposed to be building a better application for your users. So, instead of solving document viewing today and then patching together everything else later, let's start with a component built for where these projects actually end up. Let's swap in Apryse WebViewer. It's a single SDK, a single component, and it's production ready out of the box, with fast rendering and all the performance that you'd expect. With just a few lines of code, the default UI gives you a full document workspace. But not every user needs every tool. Well, because the UI is modular, I can strip it down, add custom buttons, match the branding, and shape the experience around what my users actually need to do. In this case, fill out a form, sign it, and submit it. We can also process the document right in the browser, like flattening those signatures and form fields permanently into the PDF so they can't be tampered with later. All this happens client-side. 0 server round trips required. I can accomplish all that with just a few more lines of code and without any additional installs. What's the best part? Well, the features for all your future tickets are already included in the SDK that you're using today. So here's the trade-off. If you need a simple PDF viewer and nothing else, React PDF is a perfectly valid choice. But once you need forms, signatures, custom UI, document workflows, well, that's where a purpose-built document SDK really starts earning its keep. If you're still skeptical about document SDK versus open source libraries, well, ask yourself, who's keeping up with evolving PDF standards? Who's testing rendering around at the edge cases? Who's maintaining that editor UI? And do you actually want that job? Think about it like getting from A to B this way. An iframe, it's like a quick walk. Simple, no frills, but you can't go very far. React PDF, it's like public transit. Gets you a little further, but you're limited on route, schedule, you might have to do transfers. Whereas Apryse is like owning the car. You can go wherever the roadmap takes you without needing to rebuild the vehicle along the way. So next time you're vibe coding a document feature for your React app, add one more line to the prompt. Use Apryse's PDFtron WebViewer for this. Check out the description for links to this demo repo and our docs, where you can grab your own trial key. If you build a lot with documents, whether in React or any other framework, make sure to subscribe and let us know in the comments what you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.